Two men were arrested during the snowstorm after allegedly stealing a snowblower in Springfield. Springfield police spokesperson Ryan Walsh told 22 News that a man noticed his snowblower was missing from his truck early Monday afternoon. Police located a minivan a short time later at the intersection of King Street and Wilbraham Avenue and found the stolen snowblower inside the vehicle. Police arrested 33-year-old Juan Alvarez Alvario and 42-year-old John Cruz, both of Springfield. They're charged with larceny, over $1,200, and breaking and entering into a motor vehicle. Walsh also said the Springfield Police Department has been investigating several snowblower thefts this winter and leaf blower thefts in the summer. Alvarez and Alvario and Cruz are now considered suspects in several cases and could face additional charges.